Hello, sir. It's Mohammed Ali, the CEO of Aliwave Digital Solution, and I am a Google Policy Specialist. Here, I am going to introduction myself, and also I'll be discuss about a successful project of Google Ads compromise side issue. So let's introduce myself, and I am Mohammed Ali, and we are provide Google Ads suspension, Google Ads disapproved, and any kinds of suspension in Google Ads and Google My Business or Google Merchant Center. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about compromise site issue in Google Ads. You know that in many cases Google Ads got disapproved for compromise site issue, and if I show you now, this is my real project that today I successfully working on it. You are see that today is 13 November. This client was hire me for fixing his issue. If I check from here, you see that there is compromised site issue and effected on 7 November, and today is 13 November. Okay, so 1 week before 1 week. So when I taking this project, I am working on it, and if you see that now policy issue, there is no issue. Okay, so it means now it's fixed. If I show you my campaign, you can see that it's eligible. Now it start showing to impression. Okay, if I show you 12 to 7, 7 to 12. Okay, you can see there is 0 0 because there is no any campaign because that was disapproved. So I working on it, and today is 13 November. If I apply, you can see there is there I got impression, right? Are you see that? Okay, it's working. But if I see last 3 days data, it's 0 because that time there was disapproved. So I am successfully working on it, and there was some issue with my client website, and now you can see that it's eligible. So basically, compromise site issue refers to a site or destination whose code has been manipulated. Okay, or in sometime there also have some third party issue with website code and something else. Sometime I know that we said we faces some script of our code that transmits users data, and also sometime there Google think that this website is risky for the users, so that's why they disapprove it. So if you face disapprove issue in your Google Ads, you can knock us to Aliwave Digital Solution. We are here to help you, and we have successfully working in this case during last 2 years. And I hope uh, if you face the same issue, you can knock us. We will working on it. Thank you.